Welcome to video lecture of class 11. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Your first chapter is set. This is your third lecture of in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about set, its representation, mathematical form, Rooster form, set builder form. But here we discuss about some types of set. Now here your types is empty set, finite set, infinite set, equal set and etc. Now I start your first topic is empty set. What is empty set? A set which does not contain any element is called empty set or null set. What is empty set? A set is said to be empty set if they have no one element in this set. If a set there are no element, then that set is said to be empty set. Is denoted as a this symbol. This symbol is known as a phi or otherwise this bracket. Now, for example, it's it clear that capital A is equal to x such that x square minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is a rational number. Now here x square minus 2 is equal to 0. After solving this we get x is equal to root 2 which is irrational number. Now but x is a rational number. So this is set is empty set. Now capital A is a empty set. Second example is x such that x is a student presently studying in both class 10th and 11th. Now if a student presently studying in class 10 then which cannot be possible which are also studying in class 11 simultaneously. So there is no element in this set, so this set is a empty set. You can also solve so many examples in this set. Now we move our second topics, finite and infinite set. What is finite set? The set which is empty. Now this both set which are empty then is said to be finite. Also consist of a definite number of element is called finite, otherwise the set is infinite. That means what is finite? If a set is empty then is said to be finite, otherwise the set consists of a definite number of element also is called finite and otherwise is said to be infinite set. If a set having countable number of element then that's said to be finite set, which can understand by the examples. First example is A be the set of month in a year. Now in a year there are 12 months which are countable, so it is finite. Also number of day in a week 7 which is countable, so it is finite. Now what is infinite set? Example is B is a set of point on a line. In a line there are so many points, so there is a infinite set. Also the collection of star in the sky, that is also infinite set. Now we move our third topic is equal set. What is equal set? Two set A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same element and we write A is equal to B. Otherwise the set are said to be unequal, that is A not equal to B. That means what is equal set? If two set A and B they have same element in both set, then that set to be said to be equal set. Now examples, capital A is equal to A B C D, there are four element A B C D, and capital B is equal to D C B A, also have four element A B C D. Now here capital A and capital B they have four element and both set have a same number of element and also the element are same, so A and B are equal set. Second example is capital A is equal to 2 3 and capital B is equal to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here capital A is equal to 2 3 and B is equal to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the set builder form written in Schuster form. We solve this equation, we get minus 2 and minus 3. Here number of element are same but both the element are different. Here 2, here is minus 2, here is 3, here is minus 3. Now both set have different elements, so these both set are not equal. After this we move other type, intervals. What is intervals? Intervals you studied in previous classes, range of the function, range of the values. Here intervals of r, here r represent as a collection of real number. Let e comma b belongs to r and b greater than a, then x such that a less than x less than b, this is said to be open interval and is representable as a b in small bracket. Now here x such that a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, this is called as closed interval and is representable as a AB, this is big bracket, x such that x a less than equal to x less than b. Here less than or equal, both sign are representable as a, so a use big bracket and b is a small bracket. Now here x such that a less than x less than or equal to b. Here in position b use two inequalities less than and equal both, so b use a big bracket. This is the representation of an interval in set. For example, x such that -3 less than or equal to x less than 5. That means here in place of -3 use two inequalities less than and equal. So in place of 3 we used big bracket, and here 5 is a open. Now here this is the close -3 and 5. What is the meaning of this bracket? That means a b. That means we used all numbers between a and b but not used a and b. Here a and b, here we used all numbers between a and b, also we used a and b together. Here a and b, we used all the numbers between a and b but not used b but used a. Here a and b, we used all number between a and b but not used a, we used b. This is the representation of the interval in the set. Using this you can solve your homework. Write in set builder form. First close interval 0 7, second one -1 and 1, 1 has a closed interval and here is a open. Using this lecture you can solve exercise 1.2 and 1.3 simultaneously. Thank you.